Hey everyone, welcome back to Ayaan TV. If you're passionate about design, marketing, or creating stunning visual content, today's video is just for you. We're diving deep into the world of Canva Pro and exploring the incredible benefits it offers. So, grab a seat and let's get started. Canva is a well-known graphic design platform that makes it easy for anyone to create beautiful designs without needing advanced graphic design skills. But what sets Canva Pro apart from the free version? Let's find out. Benefit number 1, the extensive template library. Canva Pro gives you access to over 420,000 templates, covering everything from social media posts, presentations, infographics, resumes, and more. Whether you're designing for business, personal use, or educational purposes, there's a template for every occasion. This saves you a ton of time and ensures your designs look professional. Next up, the brand kit. This feature is a game changer for businesses and content creators looking to maintain brand consistency. With Canva Pro, you can upload your brand's logos, fonts, and color palettes, ensuring all your designs are cohesive and on-brand. This is perfect for creating a strong visual identity across all your marketing materials. Coming in at number 3 is the magic Resize tool. Have you ever designed a perfect Instagram post and then needed to resize it for Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn? Canva Pro makes this process effortless. With just a click, you can instantly resize your design to fit different social media platforms, saving you hours of manual adjustments. Benefit number 4 is the access to a premium content library. Canva Pro provides you with millions of high-quality photos, videos, audio tracks, and graphic elements that you can use in your designs. This means you don't have to worry about purchasing stock images or dealing with copyright issues. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Next, let's talk about advanced animation. Canva Pro allows you to add animations to your designs, making them more dynamic and engaging. Whether it's for social media posts, presentations, or video intros, animations can help grab your audience's attention and keep them engaged with your content. Another fantastic feature is the background remover. If you've ever struggled with removing backgrounds from images, Canva Pro has you covered. With one click, you can easily remove the background of any image, making it ready for your design projects. This tool is especially useful for creating product images, thumbnails, and professional headshots. Benefit number 7 is the collaborative features. Canva Pro allows you to work on designs with your team in real time. You can share designs, leave comments, and make edits together, ensuring everyone is on the same page. This is perfect for teams working remotely or on tight deadlines. Coming in at number 8 is the cloud storage. Canva Pro offers up to 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, which means you can save and organize all your designs in one place. No more searching through endless folders on your computer. Everything is accessible from anywhere, anytime. Number 9, design folders. Keeping your projects organized can be challenging, but with Canva Pro's folders, you can easily categorize and manage your designs. This is especially useful for businesses and freelancers handling multiple clients or projects simultaneously. Lastly, priority support. Canva Pro users receive priority support, ensuring that any issues or questions you have are addressed quickly. This means less downtime and more time creating amazing designs. To wrap it up, Canva Pro offers a wealth of features that can significantly enhance your design workflow. From an extensive template library to advanced animation tools, and from brand kits to collaborative features, Canva Pro is designed to make your creative process smoother and more efficient. So, if you're looking to take your designs to the next level, consider upgrading to Canva Pro. Have you tried Canva Pro? What's your favorite feature? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Ayaan TV.